I say, you know, say, me am general and me need a little help in the house. Me need like, because be asleep, so she asleep on me. In the house, dog, so she don't want to get up and go do to YouTube video and end that and go up on live and, you know, say if you can make even want blood $10 on TikTok or want $20, still can go buy chicken. Still can go do something. You know them way there? So here we go on, people. Youth. I see the greatest thing. There is so many people out there where we get some blame in a life. You know, when I was growing up, I'm gonna tell you a story. When I was growing up, I'm gonna tell you when my father give me some like almost sent me to the hospital. My sister pregnant at the age of 15-year-old and steal my father money. If you go dash away belly, my father me. I have to call police for my father. When I take a sack of my sister thief money, I see my two next sister them. Because my mother sell at school and sell on the street. And my mother make shammy and them things. My sister them thief out the shammy. And I used to get the feet. I used to live with my great grandmother. And my cousin used to thief out the money. I say, I not thief out money to you, I not tell no lie. I thief out, they look red $20 them and they look $5 them, I not tell no lie. But when he knew 5 bills, when he knew when the $100 them and them sitting on me, so and me I take it. I try to big money them. I try to look a baby one them like he look $1 them and he look $5 them and he look $10 them. And them thief and go in a shop go and buy chingum and sweet. I look at them time then. Because them time when I thief want $5. All 3 months me have to use because them time them me spend like 5 cents, 10 cents. No 5 cents not 10 cents. Back then. You know what I mean? I say me get a lot of blame. And I see a lot of people on this. I say, oh no, not everybody stealing the car. Some of them did for me stealing on my seat, you know. But when I look past some woman in the comment section, where uno diss me, and uno man when I have never look on a father and give a father $100 yet. Never look on a father. Wish as an example, which one uno woman on the life where diss me? I talk about Sasha if you run more and Sasha if you do this to me. Which one uno baby father or husband ever making a father top work for 7 years and do not work for nobody and take care of the father? No, be honest. Which one uno dep on the life? I make Sasha father stop work for 7 years and I work for nobody. And make sure bring him come America with me too. You know what I mean? And still yet me's a f***ing good man. And then now, me I go tell her then now. Them I go use the word say a narcissist. Where narcissists come from? Me never get no complaints and me a trouble about look up at me. Me never have no complaint never come out with me cause I be a big woman me talk to. So you know I try to tell me say no. And I bet if I did me get a house and dash Sasha one blood part of my back run for me, when so no do me. You know that I go and say king are wicked black boy that are wicked. And you can tell me say like, you know have brother, you know have sister, you know woman we have talk, or know the feel if you have a brother and a sister who did it. Una brother who did it for them girlfriend and when you look then girlfriend turn on and fling them on one part. I want to feel if a girl do a brother that. A lot of people don't know what I want. Hey, enough to hey yo, Mr. Some clubbers man get some blame in some relationship, you know. And when it's not the man that my fault, it's sometimes it's the woman that my problem. Because youth, yo, me not really come here come beg nobody no pardon, you know, and nobody pick up for me and nobody say nothing about me, you know. But me making a know say, you say God is the greatest. You say God is the greatest. And remember me telling the people, no look for me. Remember say she lazy. Remember say me hardworking. I remember say them a black man they are foreign. Then I ramp with girl over here and a Jamaican. You hear? Sure, remember that. I remember that, people. Remember, say, it wasn't me walk away. Remember. So you see, if anything happened, those child know, say, it wasn't me run. I was there. You see today? You see today when me in a car, I go home, I go, water run out of me eye. Yo, people, me say, people, as somebody sorry for me. You know, for the after last night until now, somebody a driver come for me, At 4 o'clock, somebody reach me this morning, So right you see, tomorrow morning me get up, I beg me a come on TikTok, come beg money for, I need $2,500, I need $2,300, and me I go beg that tomorrow. So anybody want bash me tomorrow, I don't give a I have my Zelle and I have my Cash App, and I have PayPal, just like what everybody beg. Me I go follow everybody and beg too. So if you don't want bash me tomorrow, I get a room, and the only thing I want is $2,200. Me not happy. I mean, I go homeless. I'm ready to come beg that. I would take job shame. Because people, me can't get a look. Me can't go work still, I'm not telling no lie. You know the way there? Yes, so. Right now, me there for tonight. You know the way there?
Hey guys, what's up beautiful people? It's your girl Nadia Official. Well guys, if you don't know who this person is King from the King and Shay YouTube videos. He's a popular Jamaican social media YouTuber, and currently he is in an hotel, right? He had migrated to the United States from Jamaica, and now he's living in an hotel. He migrated there with his family. Right, guys? And it seems that him and his girlfriend Shay is having some issues, which led to him being in an hotel currently at the moment. Now, this is what I would like to say about the whole situation. Based on what I've been seeing on the internet, I don't know if this is a prank, because to be honest, they built up a YouTube channel and a reputation of being prankers. So when things happen, I don't know whether or not it's a prank or if it is the reality of things. With that being said, this is what I'd like to add. Foreign life is not for everyone. If you are living in your country and you find yourself in a position where you can live comfortably, feed your family, save a little money and everything, continue to do so. That's what I would say, because foreign life is not for everybody. And sometimes you migrate and you realize that foreign is not what it cracked up to be, because to live overseas, you have to have a lot of hard work, dedication, and most of all, endurance. Because you have to endure the struggles and the hardship it takes before you land on your feet. Because you're an immigrant in a country and you're setting up your life and everything from scratch. And you have to be able to endure the hardship. You have to be able to be hardworking, be willing to push down the doors, knock down barriers. And if that's not who you are as a person, I would not suggest migrating, because that's what it's definitely going to take. Foreign life, overseas life is not a bed of roses. So be careful when you are migrating overseas, that you don't find yourself in a position where you don't want to be like homelessness and all of these things, because homelessness is not nice, guys, and I'm speaking from experience. So I want to wish him the best, and I hope, if this is not a prank, that he will be able to sort out himself. People, let me know what you guys feel about this situation in the comment section. Una don't know, so this is my girl Nadia Official. Always keep things real, always keep things official. Big up on yourself. Peace, I'm out. Bye.